Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share you my everyday go-to makeup for an office. It's quick, clean and polished for your professional look. Let's get into it. We are going with skin preparation, that is your skincare. When you're doing your daily makeup, your skincare is must. The first thing you have to use is moisturizer and sunscreen. As I'm using this Epi Soft, this has moisturizer and sunscreen together, so you can cut one more step. This is just very good for all kinds of skin types, even sensitive skin types. Then your immediate step is concealer. This is Tipsy Beauty Hangover Proof Full Coverage Concealer. This is just amazing for your daily use. I got the shade Dark Rum as my color correcting shade, which is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. You can see it. If you just don't have any kind of dark circles or any pigmentation on your face, you can happily skip this step. That's it. Now I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm just blending it. Wow, you can see for everyday use, we just usually skip that heavy kind of foundation. So today I'm going with my all-time favorite skin tint, that is from House of Makeup, because this hydrates my skin like something else. And if you are having a dry skin like me, oh my god, the must in your vanity. This contains SPF and I'm in the shade M05. Now take a beauty blender and just blend it simply. Look at my skin. My skin is just looking like my skin, but a little bit better. This tint has a beautiful glow also. And the next step is highlighting concealer, which is completely optional. But today I'm using Elle Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive as my highlighting concealer. That's it today. Very light and simple. Here I'm using a Fay Beauty liquid blush in the shade Wifey. And this blush is beautiful. Look at this package. Isn't it looking very cute? Tipsy Beauty Silk Cushion Contour in the shade Maple Syrup. Packaging is just amazing. There's a twist here. You just have to just twist it, then press it. I'm just pressing it here. This is the shade 2. Wow. And look, the contour. Isn't it looking like a natural contour? The shade is amazing. The pigmentation is just amazing. And it's time for compact powder. Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 330. I'm taking here Nykaa eyeshadow palette. I'm taking here the brown color, which is just natural brown. We just have a subtle eye makeup today, since we are going to office. For natural finish, you can use your finger as well. Here I'm mixing the 2 browns, the light one and the dark one. I'm going with the under eye also. How do you feel now? That's the simplest eye makeup ever. For everyday makeup, I usually don't prefer any kind of kajal. When you're in rush, you just don't want to mess with the liner as well. Same palette, I'm taking that eyeliner brush, a black color eyeshadow, and I'm just giving that lifted look for the eye. This could be your eye look. How is it? simple eyes and it suits for all kinds of makeup. I think this is the eyes for today. And last, lipstick. Since we are going with everything nudes today, since we are going to office, so I want to have a brown lipstick. Here I'm using a stage 929 lipstick. This is in the shade I Am Shy. I'm using lip liner from Mars in the shade Deep Dawn. I forgot to do something very important, that is mascara. I'm sorry, but mascara is just very important in your eye look. I'm using here L'Oreal Panorama mascara. And our one last step is fixing spray. This is from Milani Make It Last, and it is very good and very subtle for your daily use. If you are a gloss girl, if you think this gloss is not long lasting, you're wrong. Yes, it is important to look good. At the same time, it is very important to smell good. So never ever forget your favorite perfume. And that's it. My easy go-to office makeup look. You can achieve this look just in 10 minutes. Let me know in the comments, how do you feel? Please do like, share and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.